Hi, today we're going to talk about condoms. Yes, that's right, I said it, condoms. So you might already know some of the things, you might not. So I figured I'm going to take it to YouTube up here and share it with everyone who could get a use out of this. So just the basic things. Let's get started. Yes, so hopefully you can learn something here. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's say I'm married and I don't want to have a baby, but I don't want to take a pill either, but we use a condom. Am I okay? What do you guys think? What do you guys know about condoms? Do you use it? Do you not use it? Do you like using it? You don't like it? What's your reason why you don't like it? Or if you like it, what's your reason? Is it because you're just trying to protect yourself, or you actually like the feeling of using a condom? Please respond in the comment below. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the use of condom and the protection. A lot of you guys have heard this, you know about it, you learn it in school, you might like it, you might not, but I just thought I would share this piece of information with you guys that a lot of people might know but might not really think about it that way. Well, you need to know what it's made out of. There are some that are made out of latex, which is rubber. The other kind of condoms that you can get are made out of lambskin. You need to know that when it expires, these are very important things that you need to know before using a condom. Before you open a condom, you need to feel that there's air in it all the time. Every time you open a condom, that's the first thing you should do as well. And if it feels like there's no air, maybe then, let's say it was in my purse and a pen or a comb poked a hole in it, and if there's a hole in it, then it's not going to work. You're going to have to get another condom, otherwise you can still get pregnant. Sometimes condoms are hard to open, so you have to push the condom to the side so you don't bite the condom. You don't bite into it. You try to put the condom on and you notice that it's inside out. What do? Do you know what to do in this situation? Well, you have to remember that, this was just against your penis, the head of your penis. So there's sperm, there's pre-cum. So once you take it out and you put it inside out to fix it, if that's what you think you have to do, then you got to remember the pre-cum is now on the outside, and if it goes in her, you can get her pregnant. Yes, you can still get her pregnant. So this condom is no good. You have to throw it away and get a new one. Put a new one on. So now moving on. Let's say you got all that down. You got the condom on the right way. Now while putting the condom on the right way, you have to hold on to the tip. Yes, you might say, why do I want to hold on to the tip? Some of you guys may already know. Why do you hang on to the tip? Why do you pinch the tip? Well, when you ejaculate, you know how fast it comes out of your body? Well, if you didn't know, now you will. It is 65 miles an hour. That's like if you were driving fast on the highway. So if there's no room for the sperm to hang out in, you can easily break it. So now you figured out how to do this and you followed all these steps, but you notice there's the air bubble inside. What do you do in that case? One, it's not going to feel the same, and it's not going to feel good using a condom. So if you guys want to use a condom and have it feel better, you can use some lubricant, but it has to be made out of water. Not oil, not baby oil, no Vaseline, no butter, no hair gel, no motor oil, of course, no. If you take some lubricant and put 1 or 2 drips inside of the tip of the condom and then put the condom on, it feels warm, it feels wet, and condom sometimes can dry a woman out, no matter how wet she is. So if your partner took some of that lubricant and put it on her, or use your hand and wipe it on, the outside of the condom, it will help her stay wet. Okay, so now you're done having sex, you've ejaculated. Now what? What are you going to do? Before you take your penis out of her vajayjay or out of him, whoever you're having sex with, either you or your partner will have to hang on to the condom when you pull out. Because your penis is going to get a little bit softer as soon as you ejaculate. Otherwise, what happens is you pull out and you're going to say, I had the condom on when I went in. Where'd it go? Where is it? And where it is in her vajayjay or in him. And so she have to get it out, and she can get infection. You could get an infection. She could get pregnant. A lot of things can happen, so you have to be very careful. Another thing I want to share with you, condom size and how it feels to use. Some condoms are made to be tight against the head of the penis and tight against the shaft of the penis. Some condoms are made to be tight against the shaft of the penis, but they're loose around the penis, so you're having sex, it rubs. Yeah, so there's different kind. What do you think is the best kind of condom? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Or is there a best condom? Well, I'm sure you guys have seen the commercial for Trojan condom. Trojan has the best brand recognition anywhere. In fact, a lot of people call condoms Trojan. Trojan, I won't say it. But it doesn't matter which condom you use. There's strawberry flavor, so if you or someone is performing oral sex, it'll give you protection. Yes, it's better to be safe than sorry. So there are ones that have polka dots, and those are just basically, raised bumps, so it's supposed to feel good for the woman mainly. Another thing that people might not know is that they think extra large, wow, it's big, or there's this misconception about size as far as condoms. An extra large condom is basically about a quarter of an inch longer and bigger around, so it's not like it's 10 inches longer than a regular condom. So just so you know. So if you're wanting to use a condom, I would say just experiment and see which one you do like the best. Then after you take the condom off, throw it away. Don't flush it down the toilet because it can clog up your plumbing, and that is very expensive. If you're allergic to latex, there's another option. Don't feel bad. Don't say I can't use a condom. You could use a female condom. You might say, what? What do you mean? Well, female condom, first of all, it's made out of plastic. Nice thing about female condoms are, if you don't want your partner to watch you, ladies, you could do it way ahead of time. So, and another nice thing about female condom is that it covers most, like let's say you have herpes sore and your testicle or the base of your penis touches that sore, you can also get herpes. Did you know that? I'm sure you did. Or let's say if he have warts on his testicles and it touches you, you have to go get checked, ladies. Because female condom has a heavy plastic ring, when you're having sex, it might rub on your clitoris, which is a bonus for you, ladies. And after you're done using it, basically with female condom, you can just twist it and pull it out, and just, of course, don't reuse it. This is not a reusable kind. If you have any questions, feel free to, comment below. Or if you have any additional advice, feel free to comment as well. So what happens if you're having sex with your partner, you ejaculated, and your penis is still hard? What do? Of course, you're going to keep having sex, right? Do you stop and put on a new condom though? Or do you keep using the old condom? What would you do? Of course, if you didn't know the answer to this, you have to put on a new condom. So every time you ejaculate, you have to put a new condom on. You have to know that. How well do condoms work? Do you know? Well, how effective do you think they are? 98% effective. 2% is for damage. So you have to be protective. You have to be careful. So if you're having sex and the condom breaks, is she going to get pregnant? Maybe, and maybe not. And why do I say that? Because there has to be an egg for the sperm to hook up with in order to get her pregnant. I will talk about that on the next clip, so make sure to watch the next video. If you have any questions, I will get more into depth on the next one about birth control. If you have any suggestions, questions, I will do my best trying to answer it. If anyone else see the questions and know the answer to, feel free to give advice. This is a community where we each should help one another